Hi guys, this is Vincent from conquerdigital.com. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your WordPress website using a free plugin called Updrop Plus. I will also show you how to restore your WordPress backup file just in case you broke your website after a plugin or core update. Without further ado, let's get started. Assuming you are already logged into your WordPress website, go to the plugin section, click Add New, then search for the Updrop Plus plugin. Click Install Now, and hit Activate. Once you have installed the plugin, click the Settings, then go to the Settings section, then under the Retain Scheduled Backup, set it to 4. Same with the Database Backup Schedule, set it to 4 as well. After that, choose a remote storage. In this tutorial, we will use a free Google Drive account. Just click here. Then hit Save Changes. Then follow this link to authorize with your Google account. Select your Gmail account, and hit Allow. Then click the Complete Setup. Now we have successfully linked our Google Drive account to our free Opera Plus plugin. Now we can start backing up the website. Click here to back up. Hit the Backup Now button. The backup time would depend on the size of your website. So if you have a huge website, then it would take around 20 to 30 minutes to complete the backup. So there you have it. We already back up our website. Now I'm going to show you how to use this backup file. To do that, let's make some changes on one of the pages of the website. Let's check out the home page. We'll try to delete this home page. Let's go to the dashboard. Pages. Click All Pages. Then click Trash. Then let's try to visit the home page again. As you can see, the home page now totally messed up. Let's try to restore it using the backup file. To do that, go back to the Opera Plus section. Then let's click Restore. Depending on the changes that you have made to the website, you can check this all or only tick the ones that are applicable to the changes that you have made. For example, we have just deleted the page, so we only need to click the database and hit Next. And then click Restore. Now we have successfully restored the pages that we have deleted. Let's try to check it once again. Hit refresh. And there you have it. We have successfully restored the home page. Well, that's how easy it is to back up your WordPress website. But you might ask, what if I cannot access the WordPress dashboard? How can I restore my WordPress backup? Well, to do that, you need to install a fresh copy of the WordPress installation into your server, then download the UpDrop Plus plugin once again, link your Google Drive account, and you can find the backup files on the UpDrop Plus folder and restore it from there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.